Thank you all for coming today. I'm Mayma Carmel, the founder of Tigerlily Foundation. Women have faced disparities for years. People of color have faced inequities for many, many years. Patients who are MBC patients have faced disparities for many, many years.
When I first got cancer, I had no knowledge in oncology. And then when they told me I was stage 4, I didn't have that proper education. I just thought I was going to die. I think it was important to be here at the summit so we could get better education, more resources, in particular to the African American community, just being around other people that are going through the same thing as I am, and just kind of like sharing my story and perspective on cancer.
When we talk about disparity, we talk about, what the word is. It means great, and like a great difference. And one of the great differences I see right now is that this is the most African American woman with metastatic breast cancer that I've ever met. And that just speaks volumes on what Mayma is trying to achieve here, and I'm very grateful for that.
The importance of educating other individuals about metastatic breast cancer are multifold, because most people do not pay attention to the plight of women with metastatic breast cancer unless they themselves are the women that have the disease.
I was originally diagnosed in 2013. At that time, my son was 1.5 years old. Kind of a sweet spot, just getting going in life, in my marriage, in my career. Gosh, I'm sorry, I didn't know. Here I am, my first opportunity to share that I am metastatic. Am I scared? No, because I have a God that can do anything.
There comes a time when you can no longer wait to be offered a seat at the table. You must build your own table. And so we did just that. Today's MBC Disparities Summit was curated to give young women of color their seat at the table. We gave them a platform to share their perspectives, their challenges, their fears, and their hopes. We had honest conversation, gained powerful insights, and together we'll work to bridge the gap and to empower young women of color about MBC and clinical trials, to eradicate disparities, and to achieve better outcomes for young women of color. And together we'll work side by side to bridge the gap and to educate young women of color about MBC and clinical trials, eradicate disparities, and achieve better outcomes for young women of color.